Hey everybody, it's Mike Jezoshek, CPA and host of the Small Business Tax Savings Podcast. Wanted to do a quick run through of our tax minimization program. So I'm going to go through the various features that are in it and then kind of show you around the program as well. First one I want to talk about is one of my favorites, the Ask a Pro questions. This is your access, unlimited access to our team for general tax and accounting email items. You have 3 options to reach out to our team. You can post a question in our private Facebook group. You can send us an email at ask@taxsavingspodcast.com. Or you can click this little blue button in the right corner and open up a chat with our team as well. These are for those general tax and accounting questions like, can I deduct this? Can I deduct that? How do I hire my kids in my business? We are that partner on your team. We're here to help you through those questions. Next I want to talk about is our monthly group training. Every month we do a group training where we deep dive into specific topics. You can sign up automatically. It's the third Wednesday of every month at 2 p.m. Central Time. You can also go into here and see a tentative upcoming schedule as well as recordings on all of the previous ones as well. Next I want to talk about is access to our private Facebook group. This is a private Facebook group to collaborate with others on tax tips and learn about what others are doing. You can join that group by going there. Finally, I want to talk about our partner network. This is where we have the opportunity to introduce you to other people that may be able to provide a service that we can't provide. Things like a lawyer. You need someone to set up a business for you or have some contracts you want to look at. We have someone for you. You're looking to set up a retirement account. You're looking at tax resolution work. You want to set up a payroll software with Gusto. Whatever it is, whatever kind of service or discount or software that you need, more than likely we have a connection with someone that we know, like, and trust that we can get you in front of to handle that for you. Finally, I want to go through our actual program. So this is what it looks like when you log in. Those main features that I just talked about are all listed right here. And within our program on the left-hand side, we have both our tax minimization program. These are where we're going to go through all sorts of different tax strategies, how to implement them, what you need to know about that type of tax strategy. We have 12 different modules going through those tax strategies. Within each module, there's a bunch of lessons on specific topics in there. We also have our stress-free bookkeeping training program where it teaches you how to do your own bookkeeping, things you need to know about that. And then within our dashboard here, you can also access the private Facebook group, Ask a Pro, group training, as well as professional introductions. Finally, I want to talk about our program search. If you're in our program, you're like, hey, I want to look up something, or I have this question I want to do, we can type in something like an accountable plan. If we search that, it's going to find the lesson where we talk about an accountable plan. Within each lesson, there's going to be a video where you can click play there. There's also going to be downloads. If you click this, here are going to be the downloads that are included with that. And then we're going to have some content to go along with it as well. So every lesson that we have is going to have some will have video, most will have video, some don't. But you're going to have a video, downloads, and then the content below it. And again, these are all within our program. But if you need to, you can always search for a specific one you're looking for. Finally, one thing I want to talk about is our upcoming events as well. This will be found on the right side here. These are going to be special events that we have going on that you can sign up for. Some of them, most of them are going to be free or to tax minimization program members. Some might be public as well, but those are all going to be listed here. So this is how our program works. Again, we have the Ask a Pro. This is under your unlimited access to our team for general tax and accounting questions. You can do that via submitting our Facebook group, sending us an email, or submitting a chat. We also have our monthly group trainings where we deep dive into specific tax strategies, sometimes bring on guests. We have an area where you can sign up for that, see our upcoming schedule, as well as see all past recordings that we did. We also have our private Facebook group and our partner network, where if you're looking for something that maybe we don't provide or you want a professional that you want to get an introduction to, we know a lot of people. We have worked with a lot of people, and we can get you in the hands of someone that can really help you out for whatever you might be looking for. Within our program here, we have a bunch of different modules, and within each module, we have a ton of lessons going through tax strategies on both our tax minimization program as well as our stress-free bookkeeping training program. And then there's this beautiful search button here, where if you're looking for a topic, you can just search it in. And then within each lesson here, you can now watch a video, do some downloads if there's some downloads for it, as well as see the content for it. And finally, back on our main dashboard again, you have our upcoming events. If you have any questions, let us know, and you can find out more about our tax minimization program at www.taxsavingspodcast.com/tax.